Hi, Surya this side from Social SEO, and today we are going to discuss how to build this particular workflow, which internally I have been using in my own company. And currently, we post around 6,000 pieces of content every single month, and these are my social media managers because we are saving on cost plus timing. Basically, this post on every single major social media platform. So, like before this, we used to just post on Instagram, but now we can optimize for each and every single platform, and we are getting views. Like basically, we have doubled our views just because of this workflow, even double or triple our views because of this workflow. And it's very simple. I am going to show you all the files that we are going to need, and it's a simple four-step process. Firstly, you are going to need Notion. Second is Anytime, and third is Blotato. Fourth is API, which is basically connections to all of these platforms. So first, Notion. Notion is a productivity platform which I have been using for a very long time, which even you can use. And you will get this template. What you need to do is come here and duplicate this template into your own workspace. Once you do that, it will look something like this. Rename things if you want to. Basically, it's a drag and drop system where we can change property while just dragging that. Let's say this is a piece of content. How to go viral on Instagram, and I want to make a video on this. So basically, this is a content. This is something that came to me as an idea. Now it's in scripting. It's shared to editor. He's editing it. Now it's shared to editing approval. Now it's ready to post. Now whenever something comes under ready to post, you will need a final video link here. It's going to be a Google Drive URL with viewership access, and the file size needs to be less than 100 MB. And I will tell you exactly why it needs to be that. And once you have those things done, everything is sorted, because now this workflow is going to pick up this video from here and post it on all of these platforms, and also mark it as posted, so it will automatically get here. And now you don't have to do anything basically. And the other thing is, once that is done, we will need Anytime. Now once for Anytime, either you need to take in the monthly subscription that these guys have, or you can self host it yourself. It's going to only cost you around 600 to 700 bucks if you self host it. It's a bit technical, but yeah, you can do it. Like I have self hosted it on Hostinger, and once you do that, this will basically run without any intervention 24/7. So once you do that, you will come to Anytime. All you need to do is come to workflows, and then just click the three buttons here and click on import from file. Then you will need to import the JSON file, which I am going to share to you. After you import it, it's going to look something like this. Exactly not like this, because there will be some question marks here, because Blotato nodes won't be installed for your particular instance. What you can do is just click on add nodes, select here, click on Blotato, and then you will be able to install it. Like it's going to be a very simple process, or you can go refer to their docs, but it's very simple. Once Anytime is installed, then we'll need to basically build on connections, the API thing. And how do we do API? It's very simple. Go to Notion. Let's first integrate Notion. Need to go to this particular URL, that is www.notion.so/profile/integrations. Once you log in, you will be here. Then you will need to click on create new integration. What is this? Notion API. Okay, then you will need to click on create integrations. After that is done, write your integration name, whatever you want. Click the associated workflow from this. You will get all the workflows that you are part of. And once that is done, it's going to look something like this. Make sure all these three ticks checkboxes are correct, and then you will need to give access to the workflow that you the database that you have. So for me, it's auto posting template. So select that particular workflow from there and give access to it. So you need to get access to that workflow right here. As you see, it's already there. Once that is done, the access is given. Come here on configuration, you will get a button of show. Click on show, then just copy your API key. Now open Notion node, Click on credential, create new credential, and paste your API key here. Once you paste it, it's going to all look the same. You don't need to change anything else. Just come here, refresh this particular list, and select the database that you want to use. After that, just click on this three button, click on refresh. Here also you can click on refresh, and everything else is going to work fine. Do the same for this node. Come here, just select the URL that you want. For this will work automatically once the workflow is ready. After that, these are some just simple coding files. You won't need to do anything. For Blotato, what you'll need to do is create new credential. So Blotato again is a paid software. I have been using other tools for the API access to social media platforms, but Blotato has been the best. Firstly, because it has all the social media platforms in one place. Like it even has Blue Sky. What is Blue Sky? I don't even fucking know, but it's there if I want to post on. The other thing is I use Meta API, but they are very hectic to work with. I have worked with YouTube API. It's comparatively easier, but still it's a lot of hassle. Like for Meta, it's a real hassle for both Instagram and Facebook. So it's better to use something like this. Once you get the subscription, then even the best part is you get to connect 20 accounts. So yeah, once you come here, you just need to copy the API key to this thing and just paste the API key here. Click on save, and your connection will build. After that, you won't need to change anything here. Basically, what we are doing is we are downloading the uh, Google Drive. Sorry, video from the Google Drive, and that's why I mentioned that it needs to be less than 100 MB, because if it's more than 100 MB, you get that message before downloading to scan for virus, and that's what we don't want for our videos. So that's why we use this particular method. After that, you just need to integrate with your Instagram and all of these things. So firstly, what you need to do is connect your account with Blotato. It's very simple. Just click on login with Instagram or any other account that you want to log in with. It will show you some simple steps to log in. Just give all the access, and then you will be logged in. After login, what you need to do is select the platform. It I think will be automatically selected for these four, but if you want any other platform, you can select that. After that, come here, click on reset or refresh list. Then your account will be shown here. Currently, I have 5 accounts connected. Whichever account you want to post on, just select that particular account. Keep everything else same. Do it for all the other social media platforms. Everything else is going to be same. Just come here, select Twitter, select the platform which you want. And for Facebook, it's going to be a bit different, because firstly there's going to be account, and then there's going to be list. Here, like even with if the it's not working with account, what you can do is you can select list. So how it does works is you just need to go to Blotato and copy the page ID, or you can copy the account ID and just paste it here. But I don't think you should, like it's not necessary. You can just use form list, but if it's not working, then do that. Once all of this is done, it's a very simple workflow. So whenever you want to access it, firstly publish the workflow. Second thing is just click here, come execute the workflow. And if you want, you can also put in a schedule trigger. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to run at whatever time you divide. Let's say you post every single day at 6 p.m. Then use this workflow to post every time at 6 p.m. And yeah, you can just get the schedule trigger here connected with this node, and it's going to post every single day at 6 p.m. So yeah, this was the workflow. I am going to share you all the file necessary either in the description or the Notion page which you followed to get here. So yeah, this was it. If it was helpful, do subscribe, like. It's my first video on YouTube. So, and other than that, follow me on Instagram. So